Hello friends, today I will show you the mango tree and it's too hot outside already and we'll go to the mango tree and see whether the mangoes are there or not, and if there are mangoes we'll try to test at least few of them. So now let us go to the mango tree and see. Come. So we are just going to the mango tree. So I decided to make this video so that you can understand how practically you can talk in English using the objects or using the things that are already seen in and around. So we should make use of the things, or we should increase our vocabulary power by seeing the things in and around and implement in our sentences. So in that way learning English can take place, and at the same time we can improve in that way also. All right, so we are already standing under the mango tree. Can you see? This is the mango tree. So the mangoes are not seen, so I think I will have to climb and pluck the mangoes. All right, so let me see whether I can climb or not. Okay, so this is, I'm trying to climb now. So it's very risky, but still I'm trying to show you where the mango is. I could see one mango here. So this is the mango. Can you see? Yes, this is the mango. I will pluck this, and it is not ripened, but still we'll try to taste it whether it's quite tasty or not. Okay, to slowly come down, slowly come down. It's very risky also. So once if you fall down from the tree means you may break your legs and hands and all that. Okay, now we have already mango in our hand. So this is the mango that I am holding here. So my daughter is sitting over here, right? And I will ask her to please get the knife. Go and get the knife. Okay, we'll try to uh, cut the mango and taste it. Okay, how will be the taste of this mango? Okay. So you try to cut this one, cut it. You make, let me see. Okay, so we'll try to taste this one. Hold it, hold this one, hold this one. So you have to hold the stand also, otherwise how we are cutting actually the mango you will not be able to see, right? So this is the mango. This way we are trying to cut. Okay, so okay, so this is the mango. We'll try to taste this mango whether it is tasty or not. So I will ask my daughter to taste this one. Take this one and try to taste. How is the mango? Is it tasty or not?
Yes, tasty.
All right. So do you eat mango every day?
Yes, I eat every day mango.
Very good, very good. So that means So this mango that we plucked from the tree is very tasty, and she is trying to eat and telling us the taste of this mango. Though it is not ripened, but still it is very tasty. So let me also experience the taste of this particular mango. Hold this knife you hold. Okay, so let me also taste. It's very tasty. I'm trying to cut again and take some pieces. Hold nicely. Hold this one. I'm not able to hold the camera also. It's very. Let me see also. Let me also cut once again. Come this way. So again you taste. Let us see. This mango seems very tasty. And do you eat mangoes from this tree every day?
Yes, I eat every day.
Ah, so she knows, because every day she comes to this particular tree and tries to, she plucks the mango from this particular tree and eats, and that is why she knows the taste of this mango. Okay, so I am trying to make this type of video so that whatever we see, in and around, suppose today we are experiencing the taste of this particular mango, right? And the taste of this mango is really nice, it's very tasty, though it is not ripened. This is how we talk practically in our day-to-day life. Whatever we see in our day-to-day life, and whatever things we have in and around, using those things only we can make sentences. If you want to learn English, you can watch our videos. Now one more person also is with us, so she also has come, and she is very excited to have the taste of this mango. Yes or no? Yes, very good. So I will also give her, let her also experience. Take this one. Take. Tasty. Very good. So she is also saying that the mango is very tasty. Alright. Some more pieces. I want to have it. It's very nice. Take this one. Come this side. Tasty, no? Good. So these people, they come. So the bigger one is my daughter, and she is my friend's daughter. Okay. So every day both of them come to this particular tree and they eat, and they are already habituated of eating the mangoes from this tree, right? And just now also you saw that I gave them some pieces and they ate. How was the mango?
So nice.
How was the mango? Very nice. Very good. This way you can improve your English, right? So in your day-to-day life, whatever you have and whatever you see, if you do not know the you know, the word meaning of that particular thing. So you can, this way you can, you know, this way you can, you know, improve your English. If you talk every day in your day-to-day life, and you will definitely learn to speak in English. So we are just sitting under the mango tree, and we already tasted this mango, and they also have tasted already. So they are very happy to have again. So these Chunnumunus, they come to this mango tree every day, and they try to taste and eat, you know. So this was the video for today, my dear friends. So I am also sweating, they are also sweating. It's too hot outside, though we are sitting under this mango tree, but still we can experience a lot of heat. We tasted this and showed you. So this mango is very tasty, and if you want to have it, so those who are staying nearby my house, you can come to my house and experience the taste of this mango. Though it is not ripened, but still it is very tasty. Okay, so this was the video for today, dear friends, and we'll see you in the next video.